This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Great for the student or part-time faculty person needing a home close to WU. This one-bedroom home is move-in ready. With 516 square feet of living space on one level, you will find an open floor plan, with the kitchen/dining area open to the living room, laundry room off the kitchen, and bedroom with attached full bath. Currently the home is leased at $695 a month ending July 2021. For more information, review the details below.